We've got a hammer for you this morning that goes where other hammers dare not. If you've ever used a hammer in a tight, confined space, you know swinging that hammer ain't so easy. Think attics, under the sink, under your truck. What if you had a hammer that actually did fit in those tight spaces, that protected your hands and replaced half your toolbox? Meet Hammer Fist, the 8-in-1 hammer and nail puller, an award-winning palm hammer built for real-world fixes where ordinary hammers don't fit. The Hammer Fist replaces a bulky toolbox with one portable fist hammer tool with a non-marring mallet, nail pullers, hex driver pass-through, an SAE and metric ruler with a 90-degree square, a bubble level, plus a bottle opener. Best part, it's lightweight, low strain, and easy for just about every hand because it has an ergonomic D handle with a non-slip rubber grip. So whether you're a senior, a beginner, have limited strength, or maybe you're a pro, the Hammer Fist is as inclusive as it is capable, and it keeps all your essential hammering, pulling, prying, measuring, and driving right at your fingertips. One Hammer Fist goes for $24.95.
For more information, check out the House Smarts YouTube channel.
And be sure to like and subscribe.